A rather momentous occasion in the world of e-readers, we have a new 13.3-inch player in the game. And not only that, it's by Bigme. And not only that, it has incredible specs. It has 6 gigs of RAM with an octa-core 2.3 GHz processor and 128 gigs onboard storage. It also has 2200 by 1650 resolution, Android 11, and it's in English with a Wacom note-taking layer. This is a very, very large box. And it's pretty much the exact same as all the other Bigme boxes in that it has this beautiful written in Chinese tapestry right here. It's a very nice landscape feel. The boxes are also very nice. If this is the first time you've watched anything with a Bigme on it, you'll notice the boxes are very high quality. They're finished very nicely, they have a canvas feel on it, and they are all very thick cardstock, which means the paper itself is very thick and sturdy. We'll be leaving the device till the very end of the video. Oh, that's a nice one. You know, I personally like some devices with a little bit of heft to it. When it's too light, you wonder where your money's going. This one has a little bit of weight to it. Let's explore the rest of the box. You have the A3 pen by Bigme. This is the one that is utilizing the nibs from Wacom themselves rather than the Stadler sticky nibs that they were using on their previous generation. You also get a USB cable. Now, typically there are 2 USB cables in here, should be the same thing. So you have a USB-C to standard USB, and you have a USB-C that goes from the device itself over to the pen to charge the pen. You don't have to charge the pen in order to use it. You only have to charge the pen if you want to utilize the Bluetooth capabilities of the pen itself, but it is not required for you to charge the pen. You also get some nibs. There are only, unfortunately, 2 nibs, as it says on the box. You get 2 nibs and a little replacer tool like so. Show you right here. There's your nibs right there, and you get a nib puller tool, so hold on to this. If you guys have any replacement requirements, you can buy from us. We have them, of course. And you have your documentation in here. This is very important because this is going to be your warranty information as well as your how-to on how to utilize the unit. All your warranty info is going to be in here, what the contents of the box are, etc. like that. Now for the Bigme device, I am assuming this is pretty much like the other Bigmes, just bigger. So this is really, really nice, and why this is nice is because it's an all-new unit. It's not like what Sony did to the Fujitsu when they used the same shells, the Quark Logic, the Lumi 1 and Lumi 2. This one is all new from the ground up. These guys built it themselves. In fact, Bigme gives their shells to other companies like Pine Note, Bokeen, etc. in order to white label their stuff out. So these are the actual OEMs that make this unit. You have stereo speakers on the back, a nice beveled corner, which means there's a little bit of an angle like you went at it with a router. You also have a power button up top, USB-C down below, and a couple of microphones there as well. This thing is very well built. It is a flush screen and bezel. You get that very nice matte feel on the outside that gives you a very good pencil feel at the same time when you're writing. It's a pretty much standardized material they use across their entire line on Bigme. You also have a button down below, and it is a physical button to use home or potentially a back button. Bigme actually takes the game a step further and not only gives you a very nice device, they give you a case. Yes, this case is included with the purchase of the unit. You don't need to buy it separately. It is embossed with a Bigme logo. It is a brown cowhide leather case, and when you open it up, unfortunately this is the industry standard when it comes to cases of the 13.3-inch size. You do have to rip these 2 strips off, and then you would set your device inside like so, and it would hold it via the 2 sides of adhesion. And then when you close this, it does act as a sleep cover as well, and it nicely fits everything while leaving the ports fully exposed, so you can still snap your pen to the side. It is a very nice inclusion, and we're surprised that they actually throw it in as part of the purchase. Just a really quick first time boot up to show you all that they do have an English firmware on here. You click that, it goes to the next step, and the entire device from here on out is in English. You will be able to utilize the entire device from head to toe, including the settings, all of your content, all of the highlights, annotations, everything will be in English or traditional Chinese if you choose that language. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Bigme X6, the highest spec e-paper device on the market right now. And it all comes in a 13.3 inch form factor, which means you can fit a full-size piece of paper on this unit. If you guys want to see a full review on this, stay tuned for more videos coming from GoodyReader.com. But for now, for GoodyReader.com and another unboxing, this is Peter.